it's important here on the 21st of May. It's a Tuesday, and the market had unbelievable rotation in the first hour. Couldn't get through 61 on the upside or through 57 on the downside. Now, 5 minutes into the open, we don't know that for sure, but what we did know or anticipate is it could be rotational. Don't look for your big winners early. And the market had some stuff to figure out. The yellow line here is where we open. So in the first 5 minutes, they create a little bit of a range right in here. And if you don't know this, these are rotational footprints. And this is the way you got to read them. This is the way the market's moving. With these reds and greens being quick buying and selling that comes in. Red, quick selling. If we get above quick selling, the thought is they should release because they've got the people who did sell saying, holy you know what, in that moment. So you use a little bit of opposite conventional wisdom in that case. Another thing happened with a resting offer that came in and quickly got lifted. And that was the moment that we should have some upside. And there was, to the tune of just 2 points, but it came down and also wasn't random that it was used as support. But let me play it. Watch on the right side of the screen. Couple things. I stopped it already. This red and the pink offer that comes in. It comes in pink to signify that it's a resting offer. And then you could tell that the market quickly wipes it up just by reading the action. There it is. Okay. It's totaling 500 and then 1200. So not only, and I pause it again, did they quickly come in to try to sell it, but they quickly aggressively bought the damn thing. So when you had that in concert to two red zones that could get taken out and the consolidation box that you could draw in here, upside should be the right side, whether you buy it, get out of a short, or open a long, or do neither, but at least strip out the randomness is what's important. So I'll play it again. And you could see this was just about 5 minutes after the U.S. Open. And you could see it rotate up pretty quickly within the first 20 seconds. They'll come back down, rotate, and use that spot as near-term support. Not coincidental. And so that was, not great. It was eventually a 2-3 point move to the upside, but they kept using 61, 62 as some overhead resistance for the longest time. And if you were in the mode where I'm just going to chip away, and then if I could finally catch it for the breakout through 61 or through 57, you put yourself in a better position to be on the team. Now, let me stop that, shrink this chart, and blow this one up to show the unbelievable rotation and consolidation we had. This is roughly the open on the far left. And you can see my yellow box. The top of the box, all those rotations, we counted about 9 of them. Finally, the 10th one, they went through over here. But inside this box, in the middle, the market doesn't even know, is it 57? We're going to go through and be bearish, or 61 and be bullish. The market doesn't know that inside of here. So why would you? You're just trying to create and grab probabilities through whether it's price action, order flow, or some sort of ancillary that could get you long, get you short. It's tough to get long or short the top of this rotation. It's tough to see it not be able to break out. Yeah, this is a great red resistance. But even back in here, I said, I'd be careful trying to sell it against this resistance because of all the previous rotations. And yet it still worked as just a concrete ceiling up there. And once it finally got through it, the upside was the right side without being hindsight. Now, I'll shrink this chart down and bring up or bring down onto my other screen the Russell. The Russell stayed pretty bullish for the whole session. Had a nice upside trajectory. If you start from right in, well, this is actually linked together. So it's, let me play it. Let's see if this one plays. So this is linked. This is gonna play along with it, and you could see a correlation when. Let me pause and really go fast. Let's just let this fly through. But if you're looking to get long, if you're looking for a breakout, you could see those quick pops like you've seen there, or a quick sell-off to keep you from getting long, or another quick pop that happened right in here, went down, went up. Now, this is going pretty fast. It's going like 40 times normal speed, but it did go down fast where my cursor is and up fast in here. So you keep an eye on what's the strong one. And it doesn't have to be the Russell every day, but that's what's important about being around other people that could say something simple like, hey, keep an eye on the Russell, keep an eye on the yen, watch this, watch that. Those are going to be the best nuggets in and out of each day. Could be an individual stock. But you could see the upward climb that the Russell had, and there was lead lag between the Russell and the S&P. I hope you guys are getting something out of these YouTube videos when you watch them on YouTube. And Room guys, I hope you're creating a decent summary of the day.